On this morning when we got up, it was super cold, it was windy, and someone really didn't want to get up out of bed, and she definitely didn't want to leave her nice warm blanket. So I finally got her up, and she was not real happy about that. She went into the living room, sat next to her other bed with a complete attitude, and I finally got her all dressed up and leashed up. And when we went outside, this is what she found on the door. And she knew it was for her because the dog on the stocking. So that put her in a better mood. We were able to go for our walk, and we will be back in a minute. Okay, we finally made it back from our very quick walk, and I'm going to start with my eggnog ice cream. And here's the recipe. You might want to pause it right here and write all the ingredients down. I made this recipe a couple of times before, and I used 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and it was entirely too sweet for me. Now, if you like a sweeter ice cream, try it with a can of sweetened condensed milk. If not, use the brown sugar. But either way you make it, it's going to be delicious. The next few steps are going to be self-explanatory, so sit back and enjoy.